using the Pouring Master's Ready Pour paints tonight. A number of different colors here. Citrus orange, grass green, red hot, grape jelly, titanium white, midnight blue, and lemon yellow. We're working with some leftovers here tonight. I want the base color on the bottom here to be just a little bit of blue that's left. And we're going to alternate some of the colors in. A little white down that side. Some of the red. Purple. I'm going to mix some of this yellow, just kind of dribble it yellow across the top. Gives us some really interesting little, almost kind of splatter patterns. And green over here on this side. But orange on top of that purple. And be a little more red here. That'll do it for this. For today's little pour, I'm going to try something different. Found this interesting piece of pine tree bark. It's got some interesting little curves and whatnot to it. I'm going to try pouring across the top of this just to see what it looks like. I'm going to set it up on top of one of the cups here. I'm sure that's in view. We're just going to kind of do move these guys out of the way here a bit. And we're just going to do sort of a little dirty pour on top, and let's just see how it runs off. You know what? I think I'm going to do this. I'm having so much paint loss here. I'm going to stick it on top of this little wooden thing, and right now we're going to tilt it. Let's move this cup. How's that for a crazy look? This almost resembles a piece of petrified wood. We'll come back and check it out more and let it drip for a bit. See what it looks like when it dries. Well, the paint's finally dried on this, folks. I thought I'd come back in and gonna give more of a close-up and show how well the lines held on these paints. I'm just really enjoying using these pouring paints. There's some mixture up here with the yellows, where I poured the yellow on top of the white, so it kind of mellowed out the yellow a bit. But even as small little swirls as using the smaller pour cup gave me, things just kind of really held their own. And I love the rainbow look at this. There wasn't too much of a bleed through to the other side. Lots of little holes and a little piece of pine bark. So quite pleased with the outcome of this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time, folks.